Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to delete Telegram account. To start, open your Telegram application on your mobile device. Then tap on the three horizontal lines and then tap on Telegram features. Wait for Telegram to finish loading and then you'll be redirected to Telegram tips. Once again, click on the three horizontal lines and then go to settings. Once you are in settings, go to Telegram FAQ. Wait for Telegram to finish loading once again. Once you are now redirected, the next step is to scroll down and then go to the question, how do I delete my account? Now tap on deactivation page. You'll once again be redirected to another window. If it's not working, all you have to do is refresh the page. If it really does not connect, all you need to do this time is to connect to a VPN provider. Open your VPN provider and then connect over to your VPN. Once done connecting, head on over back to the website where it says deactivation and then refresh the page. In here, to delete account or manage apps, you will need to enter your phone number first and then click on the next button. Over here, enter the confirmation code sent to your phone number. And then, once you input the confirmation code, you should now be able to manage or deactivate your account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.